Hey guys, saving with Shay. I hope it's not too loud, but I'm sweating like a pig in this car, trying to be quiet. But I am headed to Walmart for my midweek Walmart video for you guys. Listen, it's like 10 o'clock. All right, it's 10:30 to be exact. And so I'm hoping it's not too crowded and loud, because you know your girl gets a little anxiety when it's just unnecessarily loud and unnecessarily busy. And that's why I like to go to the store at 6 o'clock when they first open. So it's just me and the other worker bees. So I do have my midweek Ibotta bonus, and for that I need 18 rebates. Now this is gonna be really, really easy because a lot of them I did do at CVS this week. The degree was like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them was that. I did the Jergens this morning, which count. I saw somebody post this on Instagram. These are the little trial size ones. They do count for that rebate. You get back $2. I think these are like $3.19, I want to say. And I had a 3 off of 12 lotion CRT. So that was an awesome deal on that. And I only grabbed 4 because I'm not trying to spend any more than I have to. So I did get some rebates from CVS this week, which makes this Walmart portion a lot easier. Now there is a rebate for the Airwick that's still going on. It's a spend 15, get back 5. It's a virtual gift card. I've already gotten and used mine. I used it yesterday actually. What I do with those virtual gift cards, you guys, is I add them to my Walmart Pay. Now because they are like credit cards, you can't do a partial with them. So either the card balance covers your whole total, or it's just it won't accept it. So what I usually do is I usually will break my transaction up where I can use them. And so I had the one for $5, and I stacked that one with I think I stacked that with the soup, and I just paid 98 cents out of pocket. So I paid $1 out of pocket, and then I used my Walmart Pay to pay the balance to use that $5 gift card. And then as soon as I'm done, I delete the gift card off. And then I did the same thing with the $10 one for the Magna. With the Magna Magna Red rebate, I posted that one as well. That one expired like the next day after my video, you guys. And with the same thing with that 10, I sent that 10 to loaded it to my Walmart Pay, and then broke up my transaction to absorb all of that, and then I just deleted that off my account. But that's kind of just a tip for you guys that may or may not know what to do with those virtual gift cards. I just add them to my Walmart Pay and use them there. Other than that, I'll leave it there, you guys. Let's head down to Walmart and see what awesome deals we can get.
I'm gonna grab is on the Nestle Nestum. It's priced at $2.66. You're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta, making that only 66 cents. And of course, you already know, we're gonna grab the Nissan Firewalk noodles, priced at $1.54. Let me tell you this, you guys. I forget which one I had. It wasn't this one. It was this one. Oh my god. This one right here. Oh, it's so freaking hot. This one right here, you guys. I had the hardest time finishing this. It was so freaking hot. It was so freaking good. And so, yeah, I'm definitely gonna grab this one again. It's priced at $1.54. You're gonna end up getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. So it'll make this only 79 cents. Of course, you already know. I feel like I shouldn't miss anything. I should have shown the item because you guys already know the deal. It's on the Piper Good. This is still a freebie on the aisles. I'll actually include a link. You just click the link and then you enter your phone number, and it'll tell you your phone number and your zip code. It'll tell you all the offers available in your area. And so Piper Good is still on there. It's $5.98. You're gonna get that back. It makes it absolutely free. You might still have it on offer up. Shows you where my head is at. You might still have it on Ibotta, which will then make it a $1 money maker. Big shout out to those of you who have used my link. I'll be getting back $5, making this only 98 cents. All right, so this next deal I'm not gonna grab, but I kind of low-key feel like grabbing. Maybe it's just because I'm hungry. It's on the White Lily cake mix. It's priced at $2.48. You're gonna grab one, get back $1 on Ibotta, making that only $1.48. This next, you guys, I probably have like at least a good 6 of these, and I feel bad that I haven't even freaking tried them yet, so maybe I'll try them today. This is located on the peanut butter and jelly aisle. So for this deal I actually got from Saving with Eunice here on YouTube. If you're not following her, go ahead and check her channel out. She does Walmart videos as well. I grabbed one at $4.97. We're getting that back through aisles, and then there's also a rebate on Ibotta for $1, making this a $1 money maker. This deal here is on the JoyRide Gummies. I haven't tried these yet either. Maybe I'll just go on a try it binge and try everything that we've gotten lately. These are priced at $5.98. You're gonna submit your receipt for the aisles. Is it aisles? It might be on aisles. I'll have a link for you though. Making it absolutely free, and so I thought I'd definitely mention that again for those who didn't watch the last video. All right, so this next deal is on the Gatsby chocolate plant-based bar. They are just not gonna restock on the cookies and cream, are they? They just not going to. All right, so it's priced at $3.88. We're gonna submit our receipt for the iOS rebate, making it absolutely free. Again, big shout out for those of you who've been using my code. I'm getting back $5, making this $1.12 moneymaker. So yeah. All right, so yeah, I know y'all probably tired of seeing this freaking deal, but look, this might just be my last reset. So if you're lucky, you won't ever have to see this deal again. So it's on the story, and I grabbed 2 of them. I'll end up paying $6.96 out of pocket and getting back $3.48 on Ibotta. I'm making them only 29 cents per bottle. So we're doing this deal on the finish. I haven't did this deal in a hot ass minute. Well, let's be honest, since they update prices. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab it today. It's on the 22 tab, which is priced at, it says $6.87, but they're ringing for $7.44. And if your girl wants to be petty, she'll take a picture and she'll have them price modify it. But anyways, you're gonna grab 2 of them at $7.44. You'll end up paying $14.88 out of pocket, but getting back $7 on Ibotta. Now for coupons.com, I have 2 different rebates. One is $1.50 and one is $2. All right, I have double rebates on coupons.com, Alexa, and ShopMium. So I'm going to be getting back a total of $3.50 on Alexa as well as coupons.com and $7 on Ibotta, making them only 44 cents each. So this next deal, I got this idea from Fendi Saves here on YouTube. She does Walmart videos, and so if you're not following her, go ahead and check her channel out. It's on the Airwick. I was looking to grab a double pack and a single can, but it doesn't look like they carry the single cans anymore, and so I'm gonna put together this little deal and see how it works out. So the double packs are priced at $9.98, and I'm gonna grab a total of 2 of these. Are gonna cost you $19.98. You're gonna get back $5 for buying 1 on Ibotta. You're also going to be getting back $7 for buying 2 on coupons.com, and then there's also a $5 rebate that you can submit your receipt for. I'll have a link for you guys. I actually used mine yesterday. And so it'll bring it down to only 74 cents per can, which I think is an awesome price. Now there's also Alexa too. So if you want to do that, it'll make it a $4.04 moneymaker. I'm not sure what the limit is on the gift card, so if I can do it again, I will. But if I don't do that and I do Alexa instead, it'll make them like 25 cents each or something like that. And so, yeah. I'm so happy they restocked these, you guys, look. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these. They are priced at $2.97. You're gonna get back 900 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.60. So it'll make this a it'll make it a 63-cent moneymaker. And this one has been working for me on this one for me, and it's been working on this one for me. So I just do I do one on 2 different transactions and submit for both of those, and it's been working. I also found another one of these. I've been getting these. It doesn't have a top, but I think I should be okay. It's on clearance for $174. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making it like a 26-cent moneymaker for this one. And then I also found this one for $2, and it is for $2 back on Ibotta right here. So this one will be free. So both will be free, plus like a 26-cent moneymaker. And next deal is on the Aussie. The shampoo conditioners are priced at $3.97. You want to go ahead and grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $7.94, but you'll get back $2 on Ibotta, and you'll get back $2 on Alexa, $2 on coupons.com, making them 97 cents each. Or you can also grab the stylers, which are priced at $4.97. 2 of them is going to cost you $9.94, getting back $4 on Ibotta, 2 on Alexa, and 2 on coupons.com, making them the same price. So either way, it's still only 97 cents, which is definitely not bad. This next deal is on the Sheck Hydro razor. It's priced at $9.88. We're going to grab 1 of these. We'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta. I'm also going to submit on Alexa for $4 as well as coupons.com, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. Okay, we're also going to be grabbing the Hydro Silk, which is priced at $9.97 right here. These things are so stupid. Like, I don't get them completely. Anyway, so you're going to grab this price at $9.97. Again, we're getting back $3 on Ibotta, $4 on coupons.com, as well as Alexa, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. I'm going to go over this deal on on the degree men and women. I'm not really sure yet if I'm gonna do this deal, but I'm just gonna run you through it and we'll see how it sounds when it come out my mouth. And if I feel like it's still a good deal, then I'll get it, but if not, then I just won't. All right, so it's priced for $5.78 for the men as well as the women. And so for this, we're gonna grab 2 of the women, priced at $5.78. I have these hang tag coupons I got from CVS. So if you're grabbing 2 of the women, you'll end up paying $9.56, but then you'll get back $2 on Ibotta, and then there's a rebate on Fetch Reward for $2.50 as well when you buy 2, and then you'll get back 550 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.20, making them $1.43 each, whether you get men or women. And so, yeah, we're passing on this deal, but I just thought I'd share with you in case it's a good deal for you. This next deal is on the Move Free. It's priced at $14.97. I'm gonna grab one of these. I'll pay that out of pocket, but I'm gonna submit on coupons.com for $10 back, as well as on Alexa, making this a $5.03 moneymaker. Now, if you can find the ones that are a little cheaper, they're $13.29. It'd be a much better, bigger moneymaker for you. This next deal is just a reminder on the Mega Red. There was an awesome rebate on this that one of you guys hit me on, and I was just like, awesomeness. But anyway, so listen, it's priced at $9.88. You'll get back $10 on coupons.com, Alexa, Shop Me, making this a 12-cent moneymaker. Now check Brand Club, because I do have Zarbees there too, which will then make this a bigger moneymaker. Here is my complete haul for you guys for today. I just realized with my breakdown, I didn't have not one single coupon. Totally 100% digital, which is so cool. All right, so the out of pocket is the out of pocket. All right, so everything worked out really good though. Only thing I don't think I mentioned was what? I didn't mention the hair dye. I grabbed this at the same store I've been getting it for. It's on clearance for $3, which is crazy because it's normally $15. And I got it for $3 and got back $3.50 on Ibotta, limit of 2. So grabbing those whenever it resets makes that a 50-cent moneymaker for each one. What else? I didn't submit the receipt yet for Airwick. I'm probably going to just see if I can and tweak the information and see if I can get another $5 gift card. That will be cool. But other than that, I submitted it to coupons.com and Alexa. I think I submitted everything to Alexa. I've been submitting everything to Alexa, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I've been submitting everything to Alexa. The only thing I did with Shop Me today was the Mega Red. That was only because I already redeemed all the other ones. Since I already technically did it 3 times already. And so, yeah, that was the only thing that was on Shop Me today. Other than that, you guys, what else? Everything you see here retails $131.13. I had no coupons whatsoever. All right, my sales tax was $8.86. And then what we got back? I got back $41.23 from Ibotta, $19.97 from Aisles, which I've gotten everything back. The Gatsby bars, I'll say Gatsby gas. The Gatsby bars, the Fruits balls, everything's in already. Okay, so $19.97. Coupons.com $28.50, and of course Alexa $28.52. Shop Me was $10. Shopkick was $15, and Brand Club was $1.50. So we got back a total of $144.70. Makes everything you see here free plus a $13.57 moneymaker. And again, after tax, we still make $4.71, which is really, really cool. And I know y'all ain't gonna ever have to see Starry again. Believe me, never, ever, 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 until it pops up when I buy it again. I saw this on Instagram earlier, and I wanted to mention for those of you who did this deal at CVS, it's on the unlimited degree, and I don't know why I didn't know that it was great. I mean, I knew, but I didn't know, right? So another reason why I decided not to do it at Walmart, because I figured if I can already get it for something I already paid for, using extra care bucks, then I figured why not, right? So getting back $250 on Fetch Reward for buying 2, and I went ahead and submitted 1 receipt for the sprays on my account, and then I submitted for the 2 sticks on my other account. And so you'll get back $250, which is like $1.75 for each set, which is cool, right? So I just wanted to kind of mention that to you guys to let you guys know. Now, it did go in review, and I had to correct it, and it's in review again. So hopefully it'll go through this time around. If not, it's just a bonus, because I honestly was like, why not? I already freaking bought it, right? And so there is that. What else did I want to mention real quick? With the Shea Moisture, I am doing those on separate transactions, you guys. And my account is 900 kicks. Joseph's account is 800 kicks. So either way it goes, still a small money maker. And so I just kind of wanted to mention that really quick. Other than that, guys, that's basically it. As far as emojis, I have a request, you guys, for my little man. His request emoji is a fire emoji because the video was really good, even though he hasn't seen it yet. So it just shows that he has a lot of hope in his mommy and what I can do on here on YouTube. So fire emoji if you made it to the end of the video. Other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day night, whatever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.